Whether you're working with in-house or outsourced manufacturing, monitoring and verifying critical geometry is key to ensuring consistency within your products. Let's see how SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2022 continues to simplify and automate QA operations. The standalone versions of SOLIDWORKS Inspection have historically relied on 2D PDFs and image files to start the ballooning process. Now, in 2022, support for additional file types have been introduced, including NX and the much anticipated native SOLIDWORKS drawings. Here, you can start the project off by importing a SOLIDWORKS drawing directly into the standalone application, and then extracting relevant part information such as the part description, part number, and the current revision. The same smart extraction method is used to gather dimensional and tolerance characteristics needed for this report. From the title block, an additional surface profile tolerance node is ballooned and extracted with just a simple click. You'll see SOLIDWORKS Inspection identifies the geometric tolerance, precision, and geometric tolerance indicators, which will all be carried downstream into your first article or in-process reports. Continuing through the extraction process, all callouts and geometric tolerances are ballooned and remapped to the project's bill of characteristics. Investigating Balloon 5, which is home to multiple dimensional requirements, SOLIDWORKS Inspection automatically identifies each and has broken them down into sub-balloons as shown in the table. Repeating these simple steps for the required tolerances and dimensional callouts is a breeze. No manual data entry required. But what if we wanted to better communicate this information from the 3D part itself? SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2022 has dramatically improved the performance and support for SOLIDWORKS part files, which can now be directly added into the inspection project alongside the current 2D sheet. The extraction process is the same as in a 2D drawing, pulling in and identifying the geometric tolerances and positional information, but now ballooned onto the 3D part. During the assembly of this bracket, a few critical welds along with the surface finish requirements are also required to be inspected. Inspection 2022 now fully supports importing SOLIDWORKS assemblies to ensure a proper fit, form and function with all manufactured and assembled items. With the bill of characteristics created, this package can now be saved with all the associated 2D and 3D data, without having to access any of the drawings, parts or assemblies inside of SOLIDWORKS CAD. The inspection reports can be generated and include both 2D and 3D PDFs, along with all the necessary Excel documentation. SOLIDWORKS Inspection is also directly available inside of SOLIDWORKS as an add-in. And new in 2022 is full support for API. This is a highly requested enhancement, which helps to automate the creation, ballooning, modification, extraction, and exporting of first article and in-process inspection reports. With the all-new file type support for SOLIDWORKS drawings, parts, and assemblies, along with increased automation in SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2022, there has never been a better time to revisit your current quality assurance process.